What's up, Zach? So I just have a quick question for you.
All right, what's up?
All right, so I just started. I started like I seen you channel like a year ago, and I'm just now taking action because I'm not gonna lie to you, I was a little scared.
Okay.
And so I called the water shop list, but I can't get the probates. How do I get the probates? I'm in Fort Pierce.
Have you gone to freewholesaling.com?
Yeah, I seen how you do it online.
Mm-hmm.
I called, but they say they can't give it to me. I have to go in person and ask.
You should
But
probably just give up.
no, I just
Bro,
heard.
what do you think I'm going to tell you?
No, I just
You,
heard, you
bro,
just answered
Anthony,
it. Nah,
Anthony,
you.
Anthony, let me be completely honest with you because I know this. I know that website in the back of my head. Go to public records for St. Lucie. Go to the
Right.
court cases, filter by probates, and then pull the probate. Bro, that's it. You're overthinking this.
Yeah, because I'm on the St. Lucie website. It
St.
says for
Lucie County Clerk of the Court,
right.
search cases, court cases, probates, filter. I'm not going to get this YouTube channel banned by popping it up, but you go to St. Lucie County, court
Right.
cases, search court cases, case type, probate, done. Okay? Go to freewholesaling.com. It's all in there, bro.
All right. All right. So about appointments. How should I go about appointments? Because I'm like 18. If I go on an appointment like in person, you think they would take me seriously?
Anthony, I was 17 years old and made 100K doing appointments in St. Lucie County.
Right.
So you're a year older than I was. So you have a way bigger advantage than I was starting out. So you should obviously make over $100,000 now.
Right.
If I did at 17, you're at 18. Oh, wow. You're way older than me. So you have a bigger advantage. So you should do that.
So,
Bro, I've been around the town, man. Zero money, 17 years old, made deals. You can do the same exact thing, bro.
right.
And you ain't the first kid from Fort Pierce I've helped make 6 figures. So this is like easy.
And
You just need to get to work, man.
you're right. So how much should I be calling a day? You reckon I should call 50 to 100 a day?
So in my personal opinion, I would say in a day, the best hours to call, I would say is about 25 hours every single day you should cold call. Now, if you can't do that, I would probably cold call as much as you possibly can.
Right. No,
So
I
if you
meant
can't
like
do 25 hours a day, I'd probably do as many as you can.
all right.
It's a joke. Bro, come on. You're asking me, should I market more? Yeah, of course you should market more.
Right.
More marketing is more deals.
Right. Because
Let me ask you a question, Anthony.
yeah,
How many hours did you market last week?
I do 2 hours a day, so probably like five or six.
2 hours a day?
Yeah.
That's 14.
Oh yeah.
Did you do 14, 5? How much?
14. Wait, what was the question?
14 of what? 14 hours of what?
Well, is like what list or
Like cold calling, texting, like what?
oh, I just do cold calls.
How many contacts did you get last week?
Well, I get like 10 contacts per day around. So probably like I'm not, to be honest with you, I don't really keep track, but it's like I do get like quite a bit contacts.
You said you get 10 a day? So
Yeah,
70?
like prior like around there, yeah.
So you're telling me, Anthony, let's go down the math here. You have 70 contacts in 14 hours. That's 5 contacts an hour. What list are you doing? So you're getting one hello every 10 minutes. That's
Right.
really bad.
Right.
That's really, what list is this?
Well, I do drive for dollars and the water shut
Okay.
off.
So you spent 14 hours cold calling or 14 hours driving for dollars?
Cold calling.
Okay. And how many hours you're saying 2 a day. So is like, give me the data here. So you're doing 14 hours of cold calling. How many driving for dollars a week? How many reverse driving for dollars sticky notes did you put out?
I'm gonna be honest with you, I only put like 3 out.
3 out. Okay. And how many driving for dollars leads did you get?
I got right now I have like 500.
500. Okay. And so you got 70 contacts out of the 500.
Well, I didn't call all the driving for dollars leads.
Okay.
Driving for dollars.
Okay. So I'm trying to understand. I mean, so if you're doing that, your data should be fine. And
no,
so
it is that I get nervous and some of the driving for dollar leads are really old. And I look back and they got sold.
Okay.
And I just like cherry pick right now. I'm honestly just cherry picking each lead, like going one by one each lead, saying, are the owners absentees? Are they vacant? Like I'm just cherry picking it. That's why it's taking so long to cold call each one.
Anthony, have you gotten a wholesaling deal yet?
I have not.
I've done over 1,000 deals in St. Lucie County, right?
Yeah.
You know what that means, right? You should
Yeah,
probably
there's
listen to what I have to
deals
say.
everywhere.
Do not cherry pick every single deal, bro. Get a driving for dollars list, skip trace it, and just call them. That is it. Call the owners. Do not be cherry picking. I feel like you're wasting your time doing this, man. Get the leads, start calling. You gotta get your butt out of bed and just ram through as many leads as possible that are high quality. Cherry picking will not work, man. And if you're nervous, I can tell if you're nervous, you haven't done enough marketing. So that's why I'm just asking about the 14 hours and then the extra 14 hours on top of that. I don't know many people that cold call 14 hours a week that are nervous for cold calling after consistently doing it. So how many hours so you've done 14 hours. So how many this month have you done?
I don't really know the exact number, but when I say for 2 hours, it's not constantly for 2 hours. I cherry pick for like 10, 15 minutes and I do like the other one.
Bro, you are robbing yourself of wholesaling deals by cherry picking. You're literally stealing money out of your future bank account by cherry picking. Do you know that? You're cherry picking money out of your own pocket by doing that. What I need to tell you to do is, I'm being honest with you. If you want to be successful, I need you to make a plan, stick to a schedule, and do as many leads as you possibly can. They're high quality. On top of that, I need you to put some sticky notes out. My team's the only people that really put sticky notes out in St. Lucie anymore. You need to be an extra person.
Yeah, out of the 3 I put, I did get 3 calls back too.
Why aren't you doing more?
Honestly, because I don't really I do got the time, but
you got the time. You're already driving. You had 500. You're putting 500 leads. It's an extra 3 seconds to go put that out there. When you tell me you don't have the time, you don't have the time to skip trace and cherry pick. You have 10 minutes to cherry pick, but you don't have 3 seconds to put a sticky note out, bro.
No, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm just like about the wholesaling concept. I'm just like nervous about like, should I go? But out of 3 sticky notes I put, I did get 3 calls back, so I know it does work. But I just
Anthony, let's do this. All right.
Okay.
You need to put out 500 sticky notes.
Okay.
And then you can't question it. If it's an ugly house, they get the sticky note. That is it.
Even if it's vacant.
No ifs, ands, or buts, Anthony.
Okay.
No ifs, ands, buts. No. 500.
Okay, 500.
500. And then I want you to call that 500. I promise you, after you're done calling, you're going to be less nervous to wholesale. Bro, the money's in your hands. You can do this. You're young, bro. I like it. I know you have what it takes, but you're going to have to show me.
So should I put the sticky notes on all driving for dollars that I have done or that I got?
Just new ones now.
All the new ones now? Okay.
All right?
All right.
I'm telling you, you'll get, bro, at 17, 6 figures.
Yeah.
You can do it at 18, all right? Age is not a problem. This is why I started at 17, so you can't complain.
Right.
I worked my butt off. You need to put if you want to be where I'm at, where I was at 18, 19, you're going to have to work your butt out equally, and you'll get to it, man. You'll do very well. I promise you.
Right.
You got this, man.
Well, I appreciate it. Next time I go do one-on-one, I'm gonna let you know what happens. I'm gonna put all 500.
That's it, man. I'm in your market, so I know. Okay. So this is easy, man. Probates are simple, man. You already just do it and try to find it and try to go to freelisting.com. I'll show you how to do it. I think I have St. Lucie even in there. So
yeah, the reason I asked for probate is because most of the ugliest houses on Driving for Dollars, they're senior owners. Yeah. Yeah, and I called them. And they're like, no, like I don't know if they're gonna sell, like God forbid when they die, but that's what I'm saying. Mostly senior owner.
Bro, you live in Florida. Florida's known as God's waiting room. I'm not saying that in a mean way, but it's true. There's a lot of old people here, a lot of probates, man.
Right.
You know what to do.
Well, I appreciate it, Zach.
Anthony, I don't know if anyone's told you, but I do believe in you. I know I'm a little hard on you, but I'm hard on you because I've done the exact same process you've done. And you have to do the same process I've done, man. I promise you, if you work hard and listen to what I'm saying, you'll do well. So how many sticky notes you got to put out?
500.
Not a day. Not a day. Right? No, not over time. Okay, but let's focus on 500.
So what should I say when somebody does come back? Because it'd be catching me off guard.
Anthony,
like
you need to go to freelisting.com, bro.
Is that
it's in there, man.
I get the gist of it, but when they say
So Anthony, well, I'm gonna add 500 sticky notes, and then also I need you to go through all of freelisting.com.
Okay.
And as a reward, I'm going to tell you what to say though. If someone calls you back from a sticky note, you're going to put, "Hey, this is Anthony. I had a quick question about your property. Phone number," right? Hello. Hey, who's this? Who's a sticky note on my property? Hey. This is Anthony. Hey, I'm just calling. I was actually driving around town and I saw a house that me and my partner might want to possibly buy. That's why we put that note on your house. And we didn't want to bother you by calling you or knocking on your door at the wrong time. We just seeing if anyone in the area is looking to sell their house. Are you looking to sell your house? No. Okay. No worries. Have a great day. Are you targeting my house? No, I drove by. It seemed like a decent property for me and my partner to buy. Boom. I'd write down a script for you just in case. Write it the way that you think, but that's it, man.
So should I put tape on the sticky note? Because it's been raining like a lot lately.
No, you're fine. You're fine. Sticky note, just leave it there. You're fine.
All right. Well, I appreciate
it. You're overthinking this. You're probably a very smart guy. And from smart people usually do this. I hate to call you out, but smart people tend to overthink things, and you're probably overthinking things right now. All right? You got to get down to my level. All right. Just do the work. That's it, man.
All right, man. I appreciate it, man.
All right. Keep it up, Anthony. I believe in you, man. Go after it.
All right. Appreciate it. Bye.
Oh, guys, I'm telling you, I'm sometimes hard on young people because I know if they can take some of my advice that's a little hard to hear, too hard, and go out here and do what they need to do, they'll go out here and become wildly rich and wildly successful. It's the young people. It's the people that are getting started in this real estate business. The people that haven't got the first step, they want to get that are hungry and are willing to do the work. If you are willing to do the work, you will become a successful wholesaler. I'm begging everybody out here. Go out here, go to freewholesaling.com, learn what to say, what to do, and have a burning desire in your heart. Go after it and live the life of your dreams. Wholesaling Real Estate did it for me. It'll do it for you. Check it out.